ready to turn your website into a smooth, secure, and high-converting sales machine. Let's dive into adding Stripe to your buying page. First, ensure you have a Stripe account and obtain your API keys. These keys are essential for securely connecting your website to Stripe. Find your publishable and secret keys in your Stripe dashboard under the Developer section, and then API keys. Next, include the Stripe Haze library in your website's HTML. This library provides the necessary functions to handle card details on the client side without directly touching sensitive information. Use a script tag pointing to Stripe CDN or download the library for local hosting. Now, implement Stripe Elements to create a secure form for collecting payment information. Stripe Elements provide pre-built UI components that handle sensitive data securely. Initialize Stripe with your publishable key. Then create a cart element and mount it to an empty div on your page. This keeps sensitive data off your servers. On your server side, create a payment to intent. When the user submits their order, the payment to intent tracks the payment process from initiation to completion. You need to use your secret key to create a payment to intent. Specifying the amount and receipt is crucial for processing the transaction securely. Finally, handle the payment confirmation on both the client and server sides after Stripe confirms the payment. Update your database to reflect the successful transaction and provide confirmation to the user if the payment fails. Display an informative error message and prompt the user to try again or contact support. With these steps, you're now equipped to securely and efficiently accept payments using Stripe.